friend, after the two videos uploaded by me related to KCL, I am uploading the third video related to KCL. Here we will discuss two important numericals from GATE previous year questions. So first of all, here is a question where there is 2 ohm resistor, there is 8 ohm resistor, a 6 ohm resistor, a 4 ohm resistor, and there is 10 volt source applied, and there is P point and this is the Q point, and in between P and Q point there is a 2 ampere current source is connected, and the question is find VPQ. This is what will be the value of VPQ, that is the voltage in this point and the voltage in this point. I will have to find out, and finally we will have to find out the difference between these two voltage. So first of all, I have redrawn the circuit here and mention the voltage at this node, at P node is VP, and at Q node it is VQ. Now we will have to find out the VP first and then VQ and finally VPQ by VP minus VQ. So at point P, what we can find that there is a I1, as I have told that we will always take this VP as greater than this point and this point. Okay, so this VP is, from this VP the current will flow outward. So I1, here is I2, and this is, we know that as 2 ampere current is there, so this is 2 ampere. So from at point P, from KCL we can find VP by 8 as it is in zero potential. So VP by 8 plus VP minus this voltage 10 volt, so 10 by 2, and this 2 ampere current is outward, so 2 is equal to 0. So you can find that 8, that is VP plus 4 VP minus 40 plus 8 to 16, that is equal to 0. So 5 VP minus 24 is equal to 0. So VP is equal to 24 by 5, that is 4.8 volt. Now at point Q, you can find out this is I3, this is I4, and this current is inward. Sorry, I must take it as I4, this is I5, as taken I1 and I2, so I4, I5, and this current is entering, that is 2 ampere. So here we can write down PQ minus 10 divided by 4 plus PQ minus 0 divided by 6, that is VQ by 6, minus 2 ampere is inward, that is why minus equal to 0. So here we can find out VQ, we finally 10.8 volt. Now what is the value of VPQ? VPQ is VP minus VQ. So VP is 4.8 minus 10.8 volt, that is minus of 6 volt. Got it? Now here the next problem is from GATE. There are voltage sources here, current sources here, and a current dependent voltage source is here, and this dependent source is dependent upon the current flowing through this branch. Okay, so then I can assume it as A node and the voltage is VA. So we'll take this, so it is I1 this is I2 and here current is 3 ampere. So VA minus 10 by 2, VA minus 10 by 2 minus 3 ampere, as it is inward, so minus 3 ampere plus VA, here voltage is 2Ix, so minus 2Ix divided by 1 is equal to 0. Now VA minus 10 by 2 minus 3 plus VA minus 2 into what is Ix. Now find out. Ix is flowing from 10 volt voltage source through this 2 ohm resistor. That is, the current is flowing between these 2 points. Here 10 volt and here is VA. So 10 minus VA by 2 will be the value of Ix. So 2 into 10 minus VA by 2 by 1. This 2 get cancelled, equal to 0. So finally VA is half plus 1 here plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 5 by 2, it is 5 minus 5, 6, 7 minus 10. So here it is VA to first bracket half plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 5, that is 5 VA by 2 is equals to 18. So VA is equal to 36 by 5. Now I will have to find out Ix. So what is the Ix? Ix, I have already told you that Ix is 10 minus VA by 2. So 10 minus 36 by 5 by 2, that is here 50 minus 36 by 5 by 2, that is 50 minus 36 is 14 divided by 10, that is equal to 1.4 ampere. This is my answer. So friend, kindly go through these two questions. Two questions are basically here, because these two questions have already been asked in GATE previous years, and also how to find out the VPQ, that is voltage difference between 2 points if there is element in between. And also this question is very much important because there is a concept related to all sorts of sources, that is, this is independent voltage source, it is independent current source, and it is current dependent voltage source. So if you guys like this video, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, best of luck.